Welcome back, everybody, to the Hardcore Fab YouTube channel. I'm Anthony Bronner, and today we're building a Rat Rod choppered out tricycle. Yes, you heard me right, I said tricycle. So I was out picking through some cars or whatever, and I was trying to get some stuff bought for some more projects down the road. I was not able to get anything bought. So as I was walking through this barn, I seen a tricycle sitting there, and I thought, hey, that's kind of cool. And if nothing else, maybe at least pay for my gas if I threw it on eBay or something or whatever. So I picked it up for $5. And after I was sitting there looking at it, I thought, you know, it'd be really cool just to kind of hot rod it, chopper it out a little bit, and just hang it on the wall or put it in the man cave or something like that, and make me happy just every time I see it. So I thought, well, maybe some of you guys might also enjoy it too. So I thought I'd just throw this video together real quick. You can see how I did it real fast. It's pretty cut and dry and pretty simple, but I think some of you guys might enjoy it. So let's just jump right in there and get her done. Well, there you go. One complete, choppered out Rat Rod trike. I'm super excited about it. I think it turned out pretty sweet. I went ahead and cleaned up some of the stuff on it, wheels and tires, cleaned up real nice, and actually got some of the color to pop back through out of some of the rust. So I think it looks great. It's going to go on my wall in my man cave, and I'm planning on enjoying it for years to come. So hopefully this inspired some of you guys to maybe come up with your own project like this or something else, and if it did, please share them with me. I'd love to see it. Or if it didn't inspire you, I'd still love to hear what you think about this project and any of the other ones we've been doing. And for all you haters out there that are going to be complaining and bitching that I messed up a perfectly good vintage tricycle, well, I've only got one thing to say about that. Actually, I messed up 2 perfectly good vintage tricycles. Peace out.